In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Proton Mail. To get started, log into your Proton Mail account. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at your mailbox where you can manage incoming messages, send new emails, and keep everything organized in one place. Proton Mail has a clean layout, so even if it's your first time using it, it should feel straightforward to navigate. Let's begin with reading your emails. On the left-hand panel, click Inbox to view your incoming messages. This is where all newly received emails will appear. To read one, simply click on the message you want to open. The email will expand so you can view the full contents. Take a moment to get familiar with this layout, since this is where you'll spend most of your time when checking mail. If you want to respond to a message, start by opening the email. You'll then see a few options for replying. Click Reply, shown as a single left-pointing arrow. If you only want to respond to the original sender, click Reply All, shown as a double left-pointing arrow if you want your response to go to everyone included in the conversation. If you need to send that message to someone else instead, click Forward, which is shown as a single right-pointing arrow. Next, let's look at organizing your inbox. When you hover over important emails, icons will appear. Click the star icon to mark a message as important so it's easier to find later. If you see emails you no longer need, hover over them and click the trash button to delete them. You can also move messages into folders or apply labels, both of which are available from the left panel. This is especially helpful if you want to keep work, personal, or project-related emails neatly sorted. Now let's send an email. From the left panel, click New Message. A message window will pop up. In the To field, enter the recipient's email address, then add a subject so the person receiving the message immediately knows what it's about. Type your message in the main body area. If you need to include a file, click the Attach icon, which looks like a paperclip while composing your email. Then select the file you want to send from your device. Once everything looks good, click Send. When you're finished using Proton Mail, it's a good idea to sign out, especially if you're on a shared computer. To do that, click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Sign Out. And that's it. You now know the basics of using Proton Mail, from reading and replying to messages to organizing your inbox and sending emails.